5 Best Electric Kettle. Here is the product number 5. 1.2 liters electric kettle. Colorful. Feature: 1.2 liter capacity. Stainless steel hidden heating component. Auto shutdown. Circuit breaker system that prevents empty operation. Operating indicator light. 360-degree cordless jug kettle. Color: red/black. Quality: genuine/original. Material: stainless steel. Here is the product number 4. 0.6 liters travel kettle. Mini electric kettle. Feature: SS304 stainless steel 1-tensil inner bile. 360 degrees rotating cordless power base. SS304 stainless steel heating element concealed with an internal stainless steel base. On/OFF switch. Boil dry protection, prevents the operation without water. Power indication light. Auto shut off when boiling is completed. Here is the product number 3. 1.8 liters blue LED light digital glass kettle. Large capacity and fast boiling. 1.7 liters large capacity makes enough water for 6-7 people, perfect match for coffee, tea, pasta, oatmeal etc. Cordless technology allows for hassle-free pouring. Durable 360 degrees rotational glass body with water level marking gives clearly measurement. The hot water kettle will automatically shut off once the water has boiled. Here is the product number 2. 1.7 liters electric kettle stainless steel. Feature: concealed S heating element. Automatically turns off when water boils. With on/off switch indicator light. Removable and washable water filter. 360 degrees rotation, cord storage. With electronic control panel and LED display on the base, 70, 80, 90,100 degrees Celsius for selection. Keep warm function. Here is the product number 1. 0.5 liters mini electric kettle stainless steel. Features: mini, fast heating, travel design, high security, high temperature resistant. The button is not the switch key, it is the restart button, use when you want to reheat. Automatic outage system. Automatic outage when water get boiled. Opening parenthesis about 20 seconds after the water boils, the power is automatically turned off. Closing parenthesis.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.